Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick update really on what's happening. I'm out for my daily dog walk and as you can see it's raining. I waited specially. It's such a long time since I've been out in the woods in weather like this. It's fabulous. It's going to rain like this for about 2 hours. It must be about 4 or 5 months, maybe the spring since I was last out. Lovely part of the woods here. So what's happening? Well, not a lot. I've got back from Finland about, I don't know, a month ago. Just finished putting the Finland videos on the YouTube channel, so if you didn't like them, I'm sorry, but it's I wanted to create a memory of a nice holiday, which I did, but I'll be back to normal now. So country walks, drives, city walks. So yeah, we're back to normal with videos. I've got a couple to put on and then I'll have that pressure again to think of new ideas, but that's not something I have much trouble with. The foot's much better, having to have some physio. 6 months this month since I broke it, and it's still swollen on an evening and still quite stiff, but great when I'm out walking. It's weird, it's when I'm sitting at home or sitting at work behind a desk. She hasn't seen them yet. There's crab apples everywhere. She may be associating them with normal apples, which she loves. But yeah, that's it. Videos soon back to normal. Foot, well, hopefully, if this physio works, soon back to normal. And it's raining, and it's wonderful. It's so peaceful.